Hello viewers, thank you for watching my video. In this video I will show you how to download and install ARCLab Watermark Studio PC software for your PC. Download and install into your PC. So we will go to our Chrome browser and search here ARCLab Watermark Studio download. After that we will show here arclab.com website and open this website. ARCLab Watermark Studio, ARCLab Watermark Studio, and in India its feature are, you can see here the feature: add multiple text and image watermark to your photos, add true transparency watermark with custom capacity, import image metadata EXIF GPS to text watermark, place the watermark on multiple positions at once, multi-layered watermarks, batch processing at multiple files and folder, support GPG. So these are the features, and after that, watermark software for Windows. ARCLab Watermark Studio is an easy to image watermark software to add visible multi-layer watermark photos and directly structured in a batch. So these are the feature capabilities and working overview of ARCLab Watermark Studio. So we can see here the supported language of the software. You can see here English, Dutch, Italian, Portuguese, Netherlands, Spanish, French. So these are the languages Watermark Studio can support. So after that we will try to download free variant for our PC. Add a visible watermark, photocopy production, and watermark image, text to logo, corporate identity and visual watermarking, dash photo conversion, process files and folder. Download Watermark Studio here, and we will try to download for our PC. So starting download in few seconds. You can see here. So you can see here the installer of Watermark Studio has been downloading, and after in a few seconds it will be downloaded, and we will try to run it as administrator and extract it to install the studio for our PC. So it's going to be downloaded and we will wait for its completion. So it's going to be downloaded. So we can see here the Watermark Studio. The latest version is 4.2. Release date, latest date is 7th of October 2022, and the installer size is 6 MB operating system. It can support our Microsoft Windows uses .NET 5.2 languages, English, and these are the languages support. It can support. Download Watermark Studio, links, setup exe and zip files. So the Watermark Studio is going to be downloading still. It is the installer for Watermark Studio software, and after this we will install it. I will stop here to download it completely. Yes, it has been downloaded, and we will open this and run it as administrator. Allow this, yes. Install for me only, recommended. Install for all users. You can select any option for me or all user, and I will select for all user English, and next you will need to accept the agreement policy of the software. You can read the agreement policy of the software here, and next create a shortcut. If you want to create a shortcut on desktop or not, select here and next. After that install it. You can see here the ARCLab Watermark Studio has been installed and finished. Yes, don't show again. So this is the software has been installed on our PC. You can see here the latest version is 4.2. It is the free version, so you will need to purchase a pro version from this website. Pro version is have a pricing, so we will need to add an image to create a watermark on that image. An image, select your image, an image which you want to where is I will upload an image for to create a watermark on it. No. So guys, you can select your image and edit him and create a watermark on your image, and in this way you can also download and install ARCLab Watermark Studio into your PC in this way. By the way, thank you so much for watching my video. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.